Welcome back to DawnNews Open Forum. We've had our second opinion poll while you were enjoying the break. The results of the poll are in my hand. Let me remind you, we started off with an audience of 108. In the first poll, 87 people favored the Sharia model of government and 21 favored the secular model of government. And now we are left with an audience of around 86 people. 56 of them are supporting the Sharia model of government and 30 of them support the secular model of government. I would like to thank our speakers on the secular side, on the religious side, the Sharia side. I would like to thank IOBM for hosting us, and I would also like to thank the audiences. You've been a great audience. I'm Ovais Mangalwala. This was DawnNews Open Forum. See you next time.